Okay guys, back again here. So we set up the jumping action, but we didn't set up the animation for it because when my character is in the air, I want her to make like a jumping animation. Okay. Now we will do this in a different way that we set up this before. Okay. I already downloaded a jump animation from Mixamo, so you can go there and download. I did this just to save some time. I don't want to go over doing the same things over and over again, so you don't get bored. You know, you just go to Mixamo, find the jump animation. When you write jump, there are a lot of jumps there. Make sure you actually let me show you. Make sure you download the one that doesn't like go up just in place. Okay, just in case, let me show you the one I downloaded for you. So when you write jump in here, see, for example, maybe this one. Let's see if this is cool. Yeah, this is not this one. This should be the one. Yeah, this is the one. You should select this one when you write jump. And you should say in place, okay? Yeah, this is cool. This is the one I'm using right now. Something like this, maybe different, but you know, you can select any. Just make sure you select the one and you say in place, so you know it doesn't move forward and backwards. Okay, you download it, import it into your project here. Then make sure you did the humanoid rig, and don't make it loop actually like this. It is not loop time, okay? Because you don't want to like all the legs swinging around. Just take it out and take out the loop, okay? So now what we will do, we need to trigger her in the air, because what's happening now is, let me show you. What's happening now is she is like jumping, she's like running, the same running animation continues, or if she's idle, the same idle animation is in the air, you know. The thing is, if I set up the jumping animation from idle, she will only do the jumping from idle. So I want her to go to jumping animation from any state, which is this, okay? So what I will do, I will create an empty state. I will call this jump, okay? Now this is a little bit different, okay? And I will add this animation to here, and I will make the speed a little bit slower, okay? This should be nice, because the jumping animation I checked out before I started the class, it's a little bit fast. Of course you can change this whatever you want, all right? And I will make a transition here, and from jump to here, okay? Then I will create a trigger, okay? I will call this jumping, okay? So we will trigger by jumping, and I will create another bool. I will create a bool, I'm sorry, and I will call this grounded, okay? So what will happen? We will use this to trigger animation. So let me show you what's going on here. We go to our characters jumping, and so when I press the space to jump, I will trigger, set animation trigger, okay? So this is, I will say specify game object, and I will drag and drop this right here. Okay, sorry guys. I will drag it here, and I will, this is because this was a trigger, I will copy this and paste it right here, okay? Then, so let's check what's happening now. Yeah, nothing's happening because we didn't add the jumping here as trigger, okay? So when I say, now she is doing the jumping, okay? But, you know, if this was a looped animation, she would continue doing this. She is actually like playing the jump, then landing on the floor. But still, We don't want her to make this like anywhere. We want her to go to idle animation as soon as she touches the ground, okay? So we still need to set up that. What we will use this bool, okay? So we will set animation bool, sorry, bool, set animator bool, okay? So I will say set animator bool, this one, I will bring it right here, and the value is grounded, okay? This should be the same. So if grounded is true, okay, here, okay, check it out. I will set up grounding is true. If we say false, it's going to work. Right? So when I tick this, this means this is true. Okay, so when here is true, it's going to go to idle animation. All right, but first we need to set this animator bool here to false. Okay. Now this should be okay. Now, as soon as you press the space button, the bool is going to be false. So she will start playing the. I need to change this up. She will start playing the jumping animation, and when she lands on the floor, it will be true, hopefully, and she will go to idle. Or it should be the separate. Sorry, it should be like this. And sorry. Set animator bool. Yeah, this should be like that. Okay, let's see. Sorry, this is the false. Yeah, here we go. I said it wrong, guys. So when this is unticked, it is true. And when this is ticked, the bool, this is false, okay? So now we set our animation. So she is like jumping, and she goes to idle when she's on the floor. Let's see. Here we go. This is cool, guys. This is happening. Okay. So this is how you set up your animations. So you can like check other things. Try this, the bool and the trigger with other animation setups. Okay. So hope you like this one, and see you in the next class. Bye.